Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys a navigation trick in the media bin. So here we're on our master bin, and underneath that we have demo, footage, and new external subfolders. So let's click down on the demo here, and underneath that, if we click on it, you can see we have backpack, coffee, demo reel. So let's say we wanted to see everything in here without having to click down into each one and look at it. What you can do is, as you can see, the demo folder is highlighted with black. If you go below that with your shift key selected, let's go down to say footage. Now the media pool will update, as you can see. And now we're looking at everything underneath anything that's selected in the black region. So now if we go down, we don't have to click into all the individual folders, and this is really helpful if you're searching for a certain clip or you know you shot it, but you can't remember which folder it happens to live in or whatnot. So this is a great way to navigate through. Then you can click on the clip here and start working with it wherever it happens to live, regardless of it being in here. And then if you want, you can still right click and hit reveal in media storage. So let's do that with this one here. And now that takes you to the exact folder right here. You can change the view if you want the thumbnail, but now it's showing us over here back on the media page underneath the camping and the Jeep Pexels folder. That's where that one lives. And our selection actually still remains down here. It just jumped over to the media page when I hit reveal in media pool. Normally when you do that, if we deselect all these here and we take like this timeline clip, you can right click it and say find a media pool or use the shortcut. This one happens to be right in the master bin, but if we were looking here, you could click on it. I actually have a selection that allows you to jump to whatever clip you're selected under the preferences. So that's why it jumps media pool folders whenever I happen to click on a clip. And I think you can find that under your preferences, under user. Let me find this. Might be under editing. Yep, right here in the checkbox under user, under editing, you got always highlight current clip in the media pool. Whenever you jump to a clip, your timeline will move around. You could actually deselect that and get a little bit better performance out of it. So Resolve doesn't have to think about where the clips live while you're jumping around. But that is an option. I happen to like having it on so I know where I'm at if I'm jumping around in between source clips. All right, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one.